Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix iPhone apps not downloading. So let's start. So we'll give you some tips that you can use for fix it. The first one is go to settings. Then let's just scroll down and let's go to App Store. Here on App Store, just scroll down and let's click on App Content. If this is deactivated, you have to activate it. Also, you have to activate automatic downloads. Okay, so when you do it, then let's check our Wi-Fi connection. You have to check if your Wi-Fi is okay and it's have a good connection on your device. Sometimes we think that the Wi-Fi is working correctly, and it depends on your connection that the apps download correctly too. Also, you can check your phone connection as well if you have data for download the app. If this is not working, also what you can do is restart your iPhone. You can restart it and try to start once again completely. Probably with this, you can start download app without any problem on App Store. So guys, I hope one of these tips helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.